Wagwan, my people, it is Friday. It's the end of the week. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. It's party time, guys. Go out, enjoy yourself, because, you know, Monday is coming. Don't pretend like Monday going to catch you by surprise. It's not going to catch you by surprise. So go out, enjoy yourself this weekend, okay? Welcome to MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we give you all the happenings in Ghana and beyond. Now, here's what we have for you today. Ghanaian celebrities share their messages for peace. I can't wait to see it. EL announces the Bart concert, and Marsai Martin breaks a Guinness World Record. My name is Kevoy Burton, and let's get into it. Now, 2020 has been a very long year, and we are well aware. You see that? I rhymed. It has been a trying year with different national and international events happening. To top off the year, Ghana elections are upon us, and MX24 got the opportunity to have some Ghanaian celebrities share with us a few words of peace for you guys, our viewers. Let's take a look.
Hi everyone, my name is Justin Duma, actress and TV host, and yes, December 7th is here with us again, and we're about to go to the polls to vote and select our president and everything else that the governing bodies of this country. Now, on that day, when you go out to vote, make sure you vote wisely, make sure you vote peacefully, and when you finish voting, don't hang around, don't loiter around, just go home and wait for the results. Whoever wins this election, Ghana doesn't belong to the person, okay? It belongs to you and I. Whether it's CPP, NPP, whether you belong to different parties and you have different ideologies, we are all one people. There's only one Ghana. So let's continue to maintain the peace in this country. Let's continue to be the envy of the continent when it comes to peace. Guys, your vote is your power. Make sure you vote, and make sure you vote peacefully. Love you.
What's up, Ghana? What's up, world? I go by the name Stone Boy, known as the One God, known as the Beam Nation President. I come to you with the message of peace. In these election times, please, I beg of you, let's keep the peace of Ghana. Let's make sure we go out there to vote and not to fight. And afterwards, just go home and monitor the vote. Whichever political party wins, please, you should realize that we are all Ghanaians and it is for the betterment of Ghana. One Ghana, one people. You don't know, one nation, one aim, one destiny, one destination. See? So keep the peace, keep the love. Beep. Bless.
What's up, people? How you doing? Well, my name is Ajete Anand. It's that time of the year when we confidently step out to cast our votes to decide who leads us for the next couple of years. And I just want to remind you that we have a record that the world is jealous about. And so before, during, and after elections, let us guard this record that we are a peace-loving people. Well, spread the word, people. Patience, tolerance, and peaceful. Shall I make them not say this is not a 9-day wonder? This is our nature, because this is Ghana.
Hello people, it's your boy Mr. Drew right here, and come 7th December, I want everybody to go vote, and please come back home safely, and don't involve yourself or engage in any activity that will bring about any conflict. Please stay safe. This is Mr. Drew, and I stand for peace. Silly.
Hi, my name is Sandra Nkobia. As we head to the polls on December 7th, I'd like to urge all registered voters to go out and vote peacefully. Let us avoid violence, hateful speech, and fake news. Ghana is all we have. Let us do well to sustain the peace and stability that we enjoy.
Hello everybody, hello my brothers and sisters, fellow Ghanaians. I'm an artist, my name is Family. Coming this 7th December, we are going to vote, and I want to urge everybody to go and vote peacefully. Vote for peace. I stand for peace. But what about us will be made of negative media? Hey, I'm Brand here. Let's love ourselves. Peace as we go.
Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Drew, your hostess with the mostest, and I'm here to encourage you all to please vote. On the 7th of December is when we all vote for our next president, but I'm encouraging you all to please, let's together have a peaceful election. When you finish casting your vote on the 7th, literally go home, relax, get comfy, and wait for the results. Remember, whoever wins at the end, Ghana still wins. Together, we all win. So, on the 7th, let's have a peaceful election.
Hi everybody, my name is Becca. On the 7th of December, we're going out there to vote for the presidential and parliamentary elections. I urge you all, especially the youth, to go out there and vote if you want change. It's very important. Choose your choice, and on the 7th of December, go out and vote. However, let us vote in peace.
People, what's up? So boy Chief Tulinki, the international F-boy. Okay, so on December 7th, we are voting, and I urge you guys to vote for peace at the beg. Then to acquire the ballot box feeling. You don't need the understand, so do this for Ghana today.
Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Kitty, aka the Sugar Daddy. So, as you guys know, 7th December, we're going to the polls, we're voting. I just entreat everybody to be tolerant and respectful of each other. Let's tolerate each other, because it's one Ghana. After all of this, we're back to being one Ghana. So let's protect each other. Love and peace and unity. It's your boy Kitty. Oh, Lord of mercy. Let's go.
Lots of big stars coming through. Big up on yourself, and Ghana. Please, peace, we beg on you. Zin? Now, despite everything that has happened, it is important to end the year on a high note. A lot of people have been worried that the big December events would be cancelled this year, but it seems all is not lost. EL has announced his annual The Bar concert is happening live. In his announcement, EL shared that himself, along with Dope Nation, Joey B, AI, and more, are all set to perform. The event is set to happen at the Alliance Française in Accra, Ghana. Listen, guys, I'm not sure what kind of COVID protocols are being followed, but please, guys, protect yourself. Zin? Enjoy yourself too, but make sure you protect yourself. Zin? Now, 2021 also starts with a bang! Ghanaian hip-hop artist Teephlow recently announced the release of his new album, Flowduction 2, Homecoming. Teephlow gained recognition after his debut single, The Warning, featuring prominent rapper Sarkodie in 2014. Fans have been anticipating a new project from him since the success of his two previous albums. On both Instagram and Twitter, the award-winning star shared the good news. His album is dropping the 21st of January, 2021. That's close to my birthday. That's very, very close. Now, way to go, my brother. Just release it and listen to it. I'm sure it will be fire. Zin? Now, Hollywood actress Marsai Martin has officially broken the Guinness World Record as she becomes the youngest executive producer in Hollywood. That's big deal. The record comes after her role as the executive producer in the comedy movie Little when she was just 14 years old. Can you imagine? The now 16-year-old is well known for her role in Blackish and An American Girl's Story, among many others. Now, Marsai will be appearing in the 2021 edition of the acclaimed Guinness World Records book. She is currently working on another film, Step Monster. Hey guys, what were you doing at 14 and 16? Hey, I can't tell you what I was doing at those age, eh? I'm not on TV. I'm kidding. Anyway, American dancer Addison Rae rose to fame on TikTok, but she has since expanded her market to include acting. The young 19-year-old is said to start in the She's All That remake, but it's not without its fair share of problems. The studio in charge of the show was granted a filming permit at the city's Union Station, which was originally being used for coronavirus testing. Sounds safe. It forced over 500 people with appointments to attempt to get tested at another location that would allow without further payment. At least, that's a good deal. After outrage from locals, the Los Angeles mayor, Eric Garcetti, sent out a tweet reassuring the public that testing will reopen at Union Station. The movie is still said to shoot at that same location, but has been placed in such a way to not hinder those coming in for testing. Guys, this is America still, so I don't have to speak too long on this one, but be safe, guys, be safe. And last but not least for today is a very interesting story. Still within the international movie industry, Umbrella Academy fans are mad. Is it fans? Famous actress Ellen Page recently announced across her social media platforms that she is now, get this, a transgender male named Elliot and goes by the pronouns he or they. Elliot is known for portraying Vanya Hargreaves in Umbrella Academy, and fans are split. Some people feel that had the roles been reversed and a non-transgender person portrayed a transgender, there would be a much bigger uproar, and that's true. On the flip side, several others support Netflix's decision, acknowledge his change, and update his name as the actor. So now, he is now a straight white male. You know, I'll leave you guys. Tell us your thoughts on MX24GH on all our platforms, guys. Send us your thoughts. But that's all that we have for you today. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I hope you guys go out and vote. Zane, your vote counts. So go out, vote. Make sure that you choose the one that you feel is efficient. My name is Kevoy. This is MX Breaks Lifestyle and Entertainment. I will see you again next week. Bye-bye. Big up Jonah. Jonah, big up yourself. Bless.